So this is my Photoshop project. First I started with an original image that I took of me holding a green ball, and I started from there. One, because it was a high def image, and two, because I liked it and I thought that I could do a lot with it. So I used my magic wand tool, um, and I made sure that I could get a smooth cutout of the round ball. So, like if I take, anyway, so like that. I didn't feel comfortable yet cutting it all the way out and leaving it. I wanted that layer there. Um, and then I chose to put an eyeball in there because I was trying to think of different circular shapes that would look right there, and how I could show using the redefine tool to make sure that, when I use the magic wand uh, to select, that the lines weren't jagged and looked like someone cut them out of paper, and so it was clean. I'm assuming I'll get better at this as I continue to do it. Um, and then obviously my text, which is I see you, just because I thought it was a play on words with holding an eyeball. Um, there were a lot of things I wanted to do more with this project, but I'm still, uh, you know, learning the ropes of Photoshop, and it's not the easiest thing in the world. Um, I used it a little bit in high school, in my art classes mainly for like photographs that I had taken, so stuff like this. Um, so, I wasn't really used to using text. Um, I played around with filters and I did a lot of different um, drafts before this until I came up with this one. I got a bit frustrated at some points because I was confused and I kept watching YouTube tutorials, and for some reason I would watch them and it just wouldn't work for me. So I would take a break, try and figure out what I was doing wrong, go back to it. Um, so yeah, that is my